In a world increasingly governed by data, artificial intelligence, AI, is proving to be both a guardian and a game changer. Recent revelations of AI uncovering $1 billion in fraud have sent shockwaves across industries, governments, and society as a whole. This milestone isn't just a testament to the power of AI, but a clear indication of how it will reshape the future. Let's delve into what this means, how it happened, and what comes next in this transformative era. How AI unveiled the $1 billion fraud. Fraud has plagued humanity for centuries, evolving alongside technology and commerce. However, detecting and preventing fraud has often been reactive, relying on human audits, whistleblowers, or post-incident investigations. This changed when AI algorithms were unleashed on massive datasets, combining speed, accuracy, and predictive capabilities to spot anomalies that even the best human analysts might miss. Data collection and integration. AI systems were fed a mix of structured and unstructured data, including financial transactions, contracts, email communications, and even voice recordings. These datasets spanned millions of entries, allowing the AI to establish baseline behaviors. Pattern recognition. Using machine learning, ML, techniques, the AI identified irregularities, like sudden spikes in transactions, duplicate payments, or mismatched invoice data that hinted at fraudulent activities. Natural language processing, NLP. Advanced NLP models scan written communication for suspicious language or collusion efforts. For instance, phrases like "under the radar" or coded terms raised red flags when linked to questionable transactions. Predictive analytics. By applying predictive analytics, AI forecasted the likelihood of ongoing or future fraud schemes, helping investigators prioritize cases with the highest risk or financial impact. High-profile fraud schemes exposed. The uncovered fraud spanned several domains, each underscoring the versatility of AI in combating financial crime. 1. Banking and financial institutions. AI flagged fraudulent activities involving insider trading, money laundering, and Ponzi schemes. In one case, a mid-sized bank was found channeling funds through offshore accounts, disguised as legitimate investments. 2. Insurance claims. In the insurance industry, fraudulent claims are a persistent problem. AI algorithms exposed thousands of fake claims, including staged accidents and falsified medical reports, saving insurers millions of dollars. 3. Public sector misappropriation. Government contracts and social welfare programs became targets of fraud detection, uncovering ghost employees, duplicate benefits claims, and inflated contract bids. 4. Corporate misconduct. AI uncovered financial discrepancies in corporate accounting, including embezzlement, tax evasion, and unauthorized bonuses. High-profile CEOs and CFOs were implicated, leading to resignations and legal proceedings. Implications of AI's fraud-busting capabilities. The exposure of $1 billion in fraud is just the beginning. The ripple effects of this event will redefine how organizations operate, enforce compliance, and leverage AI to safeguard their assets. 1. Enhance trust in technology. The successful use of AI in fraud detection boosts confidence in its potential to solve real-world problems. Companies, governments, and individuals are likely to embrace AI solutions more readily. 2. Legal and ethical considerations. AI's ability to uncover fraud raises questions about data privacy and the ethics of monitoring. How much surveillance is too much? Governments may need to update legislation to balance fraud prevention with civil liberties. 3. Economic ripple effects. Recovering $1 billion isn't just about reclaiming lost funds. It also impacts the broader economy. Financial institutions may redirect these funds toward growth, while fraudsters face legal consequences that deter others. 4. The evolution of fraud. As AI advances, so will the tactics of fraudsters. Cybercriminals are likely to adopt their own AI tools, setting the stage for an arms race between fraud detection and evasion technologies. The role of collaboration. No single entity can combat fraud alone. The unveiling of such a large-scale scheme underscores the importance of collaboration between AI developers, regulators, and industries. 1. Public-private partnerships. Governments and corporations must work together to standardize AI fraud detection systems. Shared databases and open-source tools can improve accuracy and reduce redundant efforts. 2. Cross-industry alliances. Industries like banking, insurance, and retail can pool their expertise and data to enhance AI's effectiveness. Joint efforts could also lower the cost of adopting these technologies for smaller organizations. 3. Regulatory oversight. To ensure AI systems operate fairly and transparently, regulatory bodies must establish clear guidelines. Standards for algorithm accountability, data usage, and result validation will be crucial. AI and fraud prevention. What's next? While the recent $1 billion revelation showcases AI's potential, the technology's future holds even greater promise. 1. Real-time fraud detection. AI systems are evolving to detect and block fraud in real time. For example, algorithms can now intercept suspicious transactions before they're processed, preventing losses altogether. 2. Voice and image analysis. Advanced AI models can analyze voice and video data for signs of deception. This is particularly useful in industries like insurance, where claimants may fabricate stories. 3. Blockchain integration. AI combined with blockchain technology could revolutionize fraud prevention. Blockchain's transparency and immutability provide a secure environment for verifying transactions, while AI adds an analytical layer to detect anomalies. 4. Personalized fraud alerts. AI can deliver tailored fraud alerts to individuals and businesses, ensuring that unique risks are addressed proactively. Challenges and risks. Despite its benefits, AI in fraud detection is not without challenges. 1. Data quality and bias. AI is only as good as the data it analyzes. Poor quality or biased data can lead to false positives or negatives, undermining the system's reliability. 2. Cost of implementation. Deploying AI solutions requires significant investment in infrastructure, talent, and training. Smaller organizations may struggle to adopt these technologies. 3. Privacy concerns. AI's reliance on vast datasets raises privacy concerns. Striking a balance between fraud prevention and individual rights will be an ongoing challenge. 4. Sophistication of fraudsters. As AI improves, so do the tactics of fraudsters. Organizations must continually upgrade their systems to stay ahead of emerging threats. Real-world impacts of AI-driven fraud detection. The effects of AI's fraud-busting capabilities extend beyond finance, influencing society and industry in profound ways. 1. Increased accountability. The exposure of fraudulent activities sends a strong message. No one is above scrutiny. This fosters a culture of accountability across industries. 2. Improved public services. By reducing fraud in government programs, more resources can be allocated to public services like education, healthcare, and infrastructure. 3. Strengthened consumer confidence. When companies use AI to safeguard customer data and finances, trust grows. This trust is vital for fostering long-term customer relationships. A glimpse into the future. AI's ability to uncover $1 billion in fraud is a landmark achievement, but it also serves as a springboard for future innovation. The next phase of AI development will focus on predictive fraud prevention, decentralized monitoring systems, and even greater collaboration between stakeholders. This moment is a call to action for businesses, regulators, and technologists to embrace AI not just as a tool for efficiency, but as a force for ethical transformation. The revelation that AI exposed $1 billion in fraud marks a turning point in the fight against financial crime. It highlights the transformative power of technology and its ability to create a fairer, more accountable world. As we look to the future, the integration of AI into fraud prevention systems will only deepen, creating a dynamic landscape where vigilance, innovation, and collaboration define success. What happens next will indeed change everything. AI isn't just exposing fraud. It's redefining how we think about trust, transparency, and technology in the modern age.